In our industry, a war on dust has been raging for decades, and this video might reveal if you may be aiding and abetting the enemy. Stay tuned, and we'll show you the difference in a couple of real demonstrations. Welcome to this week's Primed Insight. Here's a question. Can you think of anything more annoying than dust? There's absolutely nothing good about it. This is especially true for blasters and painters. When blasting, it affects and interferes with surrounding tradesmen, businesses, and communities. Everyone hates it, so we generally have to pay to contain it. First off, if a blaster can't see through the dust, it slows down his productivity because he can't monitor his progress with clarity. If there's dust in the abrasive itself, it replaces and therefore reduces the abrasive particles that should be removing corrosion. With less abrasive particles, it's going to take longer to clean the steel. And finally, dust is expensive. Not just for the related productivity losses mentioned before, but also because you're literally paying for it in each bag of abrasive. We'll demonstrate by comparing 3 different abrasives. Our favorite, GMA Garnet, coal slag, and just to prove all garnets are not the same, we've selected a garnet from India. We filmed this in a dark room with backlighting so you can better see how much dust is in each bag. First, the GMA Garnet. Second, coal slag. Finally, the Indian garnet. Consider how much dust you've literally paid for over the years. Now, let's see a side-by-side comparison. If each bag contains this much dust, your abrasive may be one of the biggest problems affecting your team's performance. BlastOne has been promoting GMA Garnet for decades, and dust suppression is always in the top 2 reasons. If you're experiencing dust problems on your projects, we strongly suggest you look into your abrasives and see if you may be aiding and abetting the enemy. You may in fact be paying for dust. Give us a call. Your enemy is our enemy. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. We'll see you next week.